Welcome to AGCS Purulia. Today's topic says the concept of set serve as a fundamental part of the present day mathematics. Today this concept is being used in almost every branch of mathematics. Sets are used to define concept of relation and function, study of geometry, sequences, probability, etc. In everyday's life, we often speak collection of object of a particular kind, such as pack of curd, cricket team, name of the mathematicians, collections of all natural numbers, collections of prime number, collections of the river in India. Like this we can say collection of the students of class 11 science or class 11, or the collection of the students of AGCS. In this way we can say it. Means we often speak collection of your football team, name of the footballer of the football team. So we can say group of the students who belongs in a football team. So like this way we can give you many examples. You in your everyday's life surrounding we use these terms. Now it representing the set of all natural numbers. We use this symbol for set of all integers. We use symbol Q for set of all rational numbers. We use symbol R, set of all real numbers. So these all we are using for the set of the numbers. Natural numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, real numbers. So we use the terms a set of things. So from there we can come to the definition of set. Definition of set, the set is a well-defined collection of objects. So when a collection of, we are speaking about the collection of object and it is a well-defined, we call it sets. Now we can say use this symbol. We often use this symbol, this representing belongs to. This symbol belongs to. Now we use the set by giving this symbol. And if I write down, suppose vowels of English alphabet. So A, E, I, O, U. So this is a set of vowels. Within this bracket is representing the set. Now this one A, E, I, U, U, here this all we call elements. So A is the element of the set. Suppose we represent this as a set A. So A is the element of set A. So we can write down A belongs to set A. Small a, E, I, O, U. These five they are element of the set A. So we can write down A belongs to set A. A we call A element, E element, I element, O element, U element of set A. Now collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Is it a set? Yes. Because with beginning with the letter J, we got January, June, July, Any more? So collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J is a set, and we can write down the set like this way. Collection of all boys in your class. In a class, the finite number of boys. So that is also a set. Collection of all boys in your class, that is set presenting a set. Collection of all natural number less than 100. If it is a collection of all natural number less than 100, natural numbers start from 1. So that we can write down set P, all natural numbers, that means 1, 2, 3, like this way, 99 and 100. So this is also representing a set. Collection of all even integers, that is also set. Now for collection of even integers, that means 2, 4, 6, 8, no limitations. So that is called infinite set, where element of the sets are not finite. Here in set B, natural number less than 100 is a finite set. So this is a finite set. And this is infinite set. That means element of the set are no limitation, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinite terms, so you can find out that one. Now suppose a set given to you. Set A, element of the set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now 5 belongs to set A. 5 is the element of set A, so 5 belongs to set A. 8 belongs to set A. 8 is not here, so not belongs to set A. 0 not belongs to set A, because 0 is not the element of set A. Now we can write down the set in two forms, either in a roster form or a set builder form. Now this, which one I showed you, these all are the roster form. Now we will write down the sets in a roster form. X is an integers and it is -3 less than x less than 7. X is an integer and -3 less than x less than 7. So how you will write in roster form? Set A -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So by two methods we are representing the set, either in a roster form or a set builder form. Now in a roster form, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by a commas and enclosed with the bracket. And they are separated with the commas. And set builder form, all the elements of a set property which are not possessed by any element outside the set. Single common property. So this is set builder form and this is roster form. We can represent the same set either by set builder form or by roster form. Okay, that's all for today.